Hey there, it's another tutorial Tuesday, and today let's learn how to design this. Alright, welcome to this tutorial. We're going to be doing this with Kinemaster, and we're going to use 16:9 aspect ratio. I'm going to select image background to be black, then extending the timeline to 14 seconds, so it will be enough for me to achieve what I want to do. So I'm going to write the text, "It is possible." So I'll just write it, then format it to have the font style Montserrat extra bold, and then the size that I want. So instead of creating a fresh text, I'm going to duplicate this one so it can maintain both the font size and also the font style. Can watch the screen, you see my cursor that is moving, so you see what I am doing. Can I be your superhero? Now arranging the text, I'm going to place this is I to be directly above L, so it looks like it's one letter. Then same goes with it. I'm going to place my I directly above the I in possible, so it also looks like it's one letter. This is just for design sake. So I have to make sure that the it and is in the same line. Alright, now here we are. It is possible. The next thing I'm going to do is to capture the screen, capture and save. That's what I'm going to use. Now the image is saved. I'm going to remove everything I've created that it is possible. Then I'm going to import the captured image now. Alright, here we are. We are now going to add the video that I used. The video I'm going to be blending to the text. Okay, so I have to extend the "it is possible" to be at the same length with the video. So let's play and see the video. So here's the video. I've dropped the download link on the description, so you can just get it. Although you can still get something else to try yours out with. So now I'm cutting the image and also the video. So the next thing I'm going to do is to blend the video. I'm going to use multiply, so it now enters the text, right? This is actually possible, especially because the text is in white font color. So just in case you are trying yours, make sure that you leave your text in a white font color. Alright, so we've done this one. We are now going to export. Okay, done. So let's now remove everything. Now we are going to import the video that we want to add this title on, right? So maybe you're doing this for a film or just a video, a social media video content or whatever. So you're just going to import that video. Now what I'm doing currently is I'm going to use the handwriting to create kind of rectangular shape, right, that can, dim the light of the main video so that my added text will be visible, so the animated text will be much visible. So I added the fade in and fade out, 1 second fade in and 1 second fade out. Now I'm going to import the video, that's the animated text. So here we are. I'm going to bring it to the extreme and then put my fade in animation to fade in at 1 second. Now I'm going to blend with screen. Okay, now we have this. Alright, so I can actually leave this way, but someone might not actually see the text so well. So that is why I am going to bring in that captured image, right, and add it to the text such that after the whole play, after the animation, it now brings out a fist. It is possible, a fist title, so that people can see the movie title or the film title very well. Cutting. I'm gonna cut here, so you can see I'm going to use a fade in animation such that it is fading in when the other one is fading out. That is, the animated title is fading out, then this one is fading in. All right, so now we're going to have something that looks like this. So I'm going to just take time to adjust it such that it fades in at an appropriate time, okay, and assumes the movie title, and you can now see it very well. So what I'm doing is actually to make sure that both the shape of the video text and the shape of the captured image is at the same length, all right, so that when it fades in, it doesn't look bigger or smaller than the video. Okay, now it's good. So we'll blend again. All right, now we have this. Alright, so it faded out together with the background, the dark background. Remember, I had to use this faded dark color so that my text can actually appear so well. Now I'm going to export the video and show you how it looks.